FX Hunter. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how to place instant orders with the flexible trade manager. So it's actually very simple. Let me show you the basic functions, right? If I want to enter sell, I simply press S and it will place my trade projection, right? Then when I want to activate a trade for let's say as a sell limit in here, I do one simple thing. I simply press this, and once the price hits this level, the trade will be opened, right? Same for the buy, right? So buy, and I activate it, right? And then in this moment I can have the buy limit like this. As well, I can do the same thing on the current price. So basically I press B in here, but if I want to have trade active, I need to activate it in here, right? So now you can see the price a little bit moved away, and here is the thing. Trade active when placed, right? So in the default it's on the false, and right now I'm going to change it to the true, right? So I have it on the true. Now let's say I want to enter a buy in here. When I'm placing the trade, you can see that in the level where I have my cursor, it placed the trade, right? Right now the trade is immediately activated, right? So let me show you here on the current price. I simply go here and I press B as a buy, and you can see the trade is immediately activated, right? So that's the way how to place a instant order. So you need to have activated the trade when the order is opened, and then you must have your cursor on the level of the current price, right? And it will open the trade, right? So that's the way how to do it. All right, bye bye.